7. Health benefits of tomato. 1. Protects the heart. Rich in antioxidants, tomatoes help to maintain healthy blood vessels. The presence of vitamin C and lycopene, two substances that have an antioxidant action, promote the transport of oxygen in the blood and improve blood flow. 2. Regulates blood pressure. Lycopene, vitamin C and other antioxidants present help to improve the health of the cardiovascular system. However, potassium also plays a key role, as it is a mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure. 3. Healthy skin. Eating tomatoes frequently helps to maintain healthy skin, to minimize enlarged pores, treat acne and rashes, or treat minor burns. 4. Prevents eye problems. Besides being rich in vitamin A and C, tomato is also rich in beta-carotenes, which are nutrients that help maintain eye health and prevent the risk of developing cataracts. 5. Anti-inflammatory action. Regular consumption of tomato can have an anti-inflammatory action, since it is composed of anti-inflammatory agents such as bioflavonoids and carotenoids, which in turn helps to reduce inflammation and relieve the pain of chronic diseases. 6. Bone health. The presence of vitamin K and calcium makes tomatoes an ally for bone and dental health, contributing to their protection. Vitamin K also helps prevent osteoporosis. 7. Helps prevent some types of cancer. Since tomatoes are a source of lycopene and vitamins A and C, it helps to reduce the risk of prostate, colorectal and stomach cancer.